Black people hair is so easy to take care of, literally. Find the right product. Use water. Rather use water than nothing, because it helps. I don't know how to fucking explain the physics, dude. Water helps. Use water. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I've got like a quick video for you. Oh, if you're new here, welcome, and hit the notification bell if you want more videos like this one. And if you're new, thank you for coming back. If you've been here subscribed for a bit, thank you for coming back. I've got another video. I've got another hair video. I'm going to show you how to like basically fix dry hair. Like I've got short hair right now and it's extremely dry, as you can see, and it's not in the greatest state because I was lazy. So I'm gonna show you how to quickly fix it, as if you are on a rush or whatever and you wanted your hair to like look decent in like 5-10 minutes. And I'm using one product, the Cantu leave-in cream. Is the only thing you're gonna need with water. So first thing you need to do is, if your hair is like this, you don't need to comb it or do anything to it. It's really, I don't know, it's really important, but it's actually important that you don't comb your hair because it will start breaking. It's too dry, like there's no point. Like you guys see, forget about the notes I put there. I don't know why I'm putting myself on the internet looking like this, but it's for all your entertainment, guys. First thing you need to do is you need to wet your hair. My hair is dry at the moment. I'm gonna go wet it and then I'll come back and show you guys how to finish up everything. So first thing you need to do is wet your hair. That's the first product. The second product is the Cantu leave-in conditioner. You can use any leave-in conditioner that you want, and I'll show you how to do it. I'm back now. My hair is full with water. Make sure you put in as much water as I can. Like the more water your hair can retain, the better. Because like people with natural hair don't know, like the only thing you need for your hair is to get curly is water. Literally, like if it's dry, like extremely dry, and you don't know what product to use, use water. Rather use water than nothing, because it helps. I don't know how to fucking explain the physics, dude. Water helps. Use water. So yeah, my hair is wet right now, as you guys can see, not very curly defined. So we're gonna get the leave-in conditioner as much as you can, because shit, put in as much as you can. It doesn't matter if it gets like too white or whatever, it will mix in, because remember the hair is extremely dry. Like I haven't put anything in my hair for a week or two. Put around the entire area and massage that in like so. And the thing you're gonna know at first, the product will have problems trying to penetrate through the hair. It will almost try to just go on top of your hair. Don't allow that. So you need to like massage it more. Don't allow it to only go on top, you know. And you're gonna want to take your fingertips and dip them into the Cantu butter, so you get your fingertips coated. So when you're massaging like through your hair, the scalp, it goes through, see, like that, and you want to dig in like that, so like the bottom gets it and everything does. It's a good trick. Finley's not here to help me this time, guys. Yeah, so all you need to do is massage that in as much, so you guys can see it's time to like probably start to curl, and boom boom. Don't need that many stuff. Black people hair is so easy to take care of, literally. Find the right products and you would never like be like, my hair is so hard. Again, tip in your tips and then you go like make sure you don't forget areas, because then one area your fingers can't go through like that, and then the other area your fingers can go through. It's like having different types of hair on one head. Okay, so I feel like the leave-in conditioner is done. Next thing is we're going to use the Cantu curling cream. You don't need as much of this because this leaves like whiteness, like a white cast at the afterwards. So you don't need as much, because it actually small amount goes a long way as well. And put that to this. Like guys, by the way, I have to put a disclaimer. I just recently got my hair natural, so my advice is just what has been working with my hair, and that's coming from someone who had straightened her hair for like so long, since I was like 11. I was straightening my hair since I was like 11, you know, until I realized shit, like straightening your hair takes effort too, like more effort because your hair is fucking dry as fuck all the time. Like my natural hair is softer and more healthy than my straight hair that I had for like 6-7 years, and the natural hair I've only had it for a couple months, but for fuck me I love it so much, you know. Look, it already looks like I have a fucking wig on. It looks like I have an afro wig on. Yeah, so massage that in as much as you can, guys. And don't worry like, oh, I didn't dry the hair, it's the water is gonna drip. What water? It literally dries, like apart from the one that I had on like before there, like it dries. Like never blow dry your hair unless you're trying to do like a cute style once in a while, but like don't put heat on it. Like it doesn't need it, like the fucking hair dries by itself, you know, because once you start blow drying it and heating it, because it loses the moisture, and then it gets dry and crispy. It needs water. I think it should be one of the main ingredients. People don't tell you that. The reason black people, we don't know how to take care of our hair because no one told us that all you need is water for your hair. Literally. Like I used to be like, what do I do with my hair? What the fuck do I do with my hair? It's so dry. And I didn't know all you fucking need is water. And a leave-in conditioner. And that's fucking it. I'm not shitting you. That's all you fucking need. Sometimes maybe a curling cream if you want to, you know, make those curls pop a bit more. Other than that, no. You don't need all that shit. See, guys? I hope fucking camera is not focusing. Look. You guys could see the back areas where it's most like curly. And that's from how you guys have seen, from how really damaged it was. It wasn't too damaged, but it was extremely dry. But now look. Hands are going through. Hands through. It's short, but I have been natural for how long? Oh, it's coming to about, because I was natural since December last year, but I had in dreadlocks, like false locks, but those damaged my hair, and all the natural hair I had before had to break off because I had the dreadlocks in for like 3 months. Bad idea. They look better with time, but like it's not good for natural hair because it has the line of separation, and then it just started breaking off and it was fucking ugly, so I had to start over. So right now it's about 5 months of growth. 5 months? Actually, let me see. Dreadlocks were 3 months, 2 months, yeah. It's about 5-6 months of growth here that we've got. And another thing you want to do is don't comb your hair because you don't fucking need it. It's curly hair. You don't comb curly hair. It just makes it frizzy. Just go back and forth like that. And that will get some kind of curl definition. And this is coming from a girl who just learned how to do her hair. If you're from the UK and you want to know where to get leave-in conditioner, Cantu is in Superdrug Boots anywhere. I still don't know how I feel about recommending Cantu as much because I'm trying to like study and learn it myself too. So if you guys want to watch my video so you see if I come up with an update with the product, if I say it's not good anymore or it's whatever, so keep your subscription on so I can give you an update, especially people in the UK and you don't know what to do with your hair most of the time because we don't have the products because the shops are shit. That should be that I should be a source of information. Just subscribe because I'm trying to do that. Because like the one thing that fucking pisses me off is like when us black people, black girls especially, we Google in how to do hair, it's all white people hair. Like think about it, like you have to specifically write in how to do black person's hair to show up results that are gonna appeal to you, but like it shouldn't be like that. There should be like research, like search results for like every single fucking people. Like I'm sure there's a fucking black person doing black hair, me, and there is like other people. Why are their results not fucking showing, you know? Because then like as we have to search even fucking more to find any tutorials. Like I have to put in like 3,000 search terms to narrow it down. Like it should not be like that. Like I put in like how to curl hair and all of it's fucking, you know, straight cut like white people hair, but I'm like, why do I have to put in specifically how to curl black women's hair? Why? It's YouTube. It's the world search, you know, video search site. It should be with all people. Anyway, I'm going on a fucking tangent. So yeah, I'm trying to at least be one of the people, because when I try to tag my videos, I try to tag them genuinely so you guys can find them easily. They are trying to find products for your hair if you're new to natural hair and stuff. So hopefully you like what I'm starting to do here. My boyfriend doesn't sit in with this, Finley. If you've seen any of our videos, you know him. And yeah, that's what we're trying to do. So if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe. And your hair, by the way, it would dry by itself. Pretty much done. It's soft as fuck now, and this would dry out and the white stuff won't show as much, I guarantee it. If if it showed, comment down below and say Shamimi lied to me and I will personally say sorry. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Love you.